Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a library printer. First, find an available computer or connect your personal device to the library's wireless network. You will need your library card or a guest pass to log in and access printing services. Before sending your document, take a moment to note the printer's location and confirm the available paper sizes, which are usually standard letter or legal dimensions. This ensures a smooth start to your printing experience. Once you are ready, select the print option from your document or web browser. A print dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a printer. Carefully select the correct printer from the list, which is usually identified by its location or a specific name. Here, you can also customize your print job, such as selecting color or black and white, choosing double-sided printing, and specifying the exact number of copies you need. Confirm your selections before proceeding. After sending your print job, walk over to the designated print release station, typically located near the printers. You will need to log in using your library card number or the credentials from your guest pass. Your pending print jobs will then appear on the screen. Before collecting your documents, you will need to pay for them. Most libraries accept various payment methods, including cash, credit or debit cards, or funds from a preloaded printing account. The cost is usually around 10 cents per black and white page. To ensure a smooth printing experience, always preview your document before sending it to the printer. This helps catch any formatting errors. To save both paper and money, consider printing double-sided whenever your document allows. If you encounter any issues, such as a paper jam, a printer error message, or difficulty logging in, do not hesitate to ask the library staff for assistance. They are there to help you resolve any printing challenges quickly and efficiently, ensuring you get your documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.